The world of retro gaming has inspired generations of artists, animators, and game designers, but few games are as iconic as Pac-Man. Its simple design, colorful maze, and instantly recognizable characters have remained popular for decades. Today, modern artists are taking classic games and transforming them into cinematic futuristic worlds using advanced 3D software and stylized animation techniques. Creating a stylized Pac-Man sci-fi animation is an exciting way to combine nostalgia with futuristic creativity. This process blends retro arcade aesthetics with cyberpunk lighting, cinematic environments, and dynamic animation to produce something that feels both classic and modern at the same time. The first step in designing a sci-fi Pac-Man animation is developing the visual concept. Before opening any 3D software, it is important to imagine how the classic game would look if it existed hundreds of years in the future. Instead of a flat black maze with simple dots, the environment could become a giant neon city floating in space. The traditional maze walls may transform into glowing holographic barriers with animated energy pulses running through them. Pac-Man himself can be redesigned as a floating robotic drone with bright yellow plasma lighting and futuristic mechanical textures. The ghosts could become advanced AI security robots with transparent holographic bodies and glowing digital eyes. This redesign stage is where creativity becomes most important because the goal is not simply recreating the old game, but reimagining it for a completely different universe. Once the concept is planned, the next stage involves gathering visual references. Many artists collect inspiration from cyberpunk movies, futuristic architecture, arcade machines, science fiction comics, and neon city photography. Looking at futuristic designs helps establish a consistent visual direction. Color palettes are especially important in stylized animation. Bright neon blues, glowing magentas, electric purples, and warm yellow lighting create the perfect retro-futuristic atmosphere. Artists often combine dark environments with strong glowing colors because this contrast makes the animation feel cinematic and visually exciting. After the concept phase, the modeling process begins. Most creators use 3D software such as Blender, which is widely popular for animation and game design. The maze can be modeled using simple geometric shapes, but adding futuristic detail is what makes the environment unique. Instead of plain walls, the maze might include holographic panels, metallic surfaces, glowing pipes, and floating digital signs. Some artists add moving mechanical parts to create a living futuristic world. Pac-Man can be designed as a spherical machine with smooth metallic materials and animated glowing lines. Small details like vents, robotic eyes, and hovering engines help make the character feel more advanced and believable. The ghost characters are often redesigned with distinct personalities. One ghost could become a heavy armored security robot while another may resemble a stealth drone with transparent holographic effects. Adding unique design elements helps each character stand out visually during the animation. In stylized animation, realism is less important than personality and visual storytelling. Exaggerated proportions, bright effects, and bold shapes make the animation more entertaining and memorable. Texturing is one of the most important parts of the process because it defines how every object appears on screen. In a sci-fi redesign, materials usually include glowing emissive surfaces, brushed metal textures, holographic shaders, and reflective neon lighting. Pac-Man's glowing body can use animated emission textures to make him appear powered by futuristic energy. The maze